In front of me is HMD Fusion, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this plus at the bottom left corner and choose Files to pick an audio one and attach it. To do that, hit Audio at the top, choose one of those apps or tap on those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources. Either way, when you're ready, hold one of your files and hit Select at the top right corner. To add a video one, select Gallery section instead. Look for your video here and click on it to attach it. If you can't find it here, select Folders. Look for your video and click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!